Let's continue with our drawing business. So we need to introduce the coordinate system of the Xcode used on the screen. So the origin is on the top left corner, like this one. Okay, so here is the 0 0. Okay, so y is okay. Let me make it bigger. This y. So y is going down from origin. X is same as our math class, from 0 going to the right, right? Going to the right. But y is the opposite. Instead of going up, it's going down. So it means going down is positive. Positive. For example, here, 0, 100, 200 from here, like here, this guy. 0 0, 100, 200. Going up, it will be negative. So from here going right is the x, 100, 200, something like that. Or yeah, something like that. This one, yeah. So it's clear, right? Yeah, that's it. So let's continue with our drawing. Let's try to draw a horizontal line starting from, let's say, 50 and 100, and here 250 to 100. Okay, so this will be a horizontal line, right? Because the y is same. 100 is about here. So from x 50 to 250. Yeah, let's give a try. Command R. Yeah, see? Okay, so we can make a copy of those two lines of code, right? Copy and paste, right? If we run again, we'll see two lines overlapped with each other. Yeah, but we can change this, the y thing, right? Add 50 to it here, or if you like, you can put the expression here. Is also a good idea, like that. Okay, run again. So you can see, yeah. So next we can change its color. We can use UI color dot white dot set stroke, like that. Run again. Oh, let's make it thicker. By default, the thickness, right, line width is 1. So we can do path dot line width equals, let's say, 3. Okay, Command R, run again. Yeah, cool. So let's delete that, make it, yeah. So another way to set the color is fancy. Okay, so that's comment out this line. How to do that? We can put our cursor anywhere on this line, then command slash. If you press command key, hold on command key and slash again, it will toggle. So if we command out, then when we run it, yeah, we'll use the default black color. Okay, now we can also undo, right? Command Z to undo. Okay. Now, okay. Command Shift Z is redo. So undo. Command Shift Z redo. Command Z undo. Command Shift Z Z. Oh, sorry. Okay. Command Shift Z to redo. Now let's use another different another syntax to do the same thing. We can type color literal. We don't need to type every letter. We can jump typing like color, say literal L, literal li. No. Oh, here. Color literal is here. This guy. So it's a square with a color inside that. So let's keep typing dot set stroke. Okay, now it's white, and we can double click to pick whatever color we like. Say purple. Okay, run it. We can see the purple. Yeah, let's just use white. So click again, select white. Okay, run again. Yeah, that's the color literal. Okay, now let's delete that one if you like. Yeah. Let's move on to draw. Oh, okay. So following the book, right? The corresponding book will create a function so we can organize our code better. So how to do that? So we don't define a function inside this function. We'll put it in parallel like here. So type fun, you see, enter. Let's use the name to describe its functions or what it does. Yeah. So draw two lines, right? Parameter, we'll talk about that later. For now, we don't need that. Oh, you can use tab key to jump to this placeholder. Okay, delete that. We don't need to return type. So here, function body is what we want to do. That's cut, highlight and cut. Command X, and go here and paste. Command V. Okay, let me do it again. Undo, right? Undo 2 steps. Go here. So now highlight that. Command X and go here. You can also delete that and Command V to paste. Now it's gone, right? So if we run it, we have nothing because this is the entry point of the code. So Xcode will start running the code from here. So now it's empty, so it does nothing. So after we move out the code, this part, right, to the new function, draw two lines, we need to call it. How to call a function? We just type its name. Draw, you see here, two lines, right? Now, when the execution, right, meets this part, it will jump to here to run everything inside this function. Okay, so now run again, it will be the same. Yeah, okay, so we don't need this comment. Let's clean up. Draw two lines. Okay, to draw a grid, we need more horizontal lines and some vertical lines. So let's add another 2 of them. Add 1. So we can use this, right, to add, like, to make the line lower by another 50. Run it. It works. Copy and paste. Yeah, another one. So don't forget to increase the Y Run it. Yeah, now okay, we can use a comment like that. Horizontal, okay, horizontal lines, and start from here. We'll draw some vertical lines. So yeah, so we'll draw the first one from here to here, right? So the coordinates is 50, 100, right? Starting point. So we'll do pass dot move to enter opening parenthesis. You can type X to jump to there. Okay, enter again. So 50 and tab key to jump to the next placeholder. So 100. Yeah. So next line, no, next the endpoint. So pass dot add line 2. You see, enter again, opening parenthesis. Now type X, enter. So 50, right? X is still 50. The Y 100, 200, 250. Yeah, 250. Now run it. Yeah, cool. So let's add 4 more. Okay, so we can copy to save some time. Okay, now that's plus 1 times 50, right? That's the pattern. Plus 150. Run it. Oh, no. Haha, mistake. So this should be here. So cut and paste it here. And we can paste again. And we don't, yeah, that. Run again. Yes, it works. Now here, with the pattern here, we only need to modify a small place, right? We change this to 2. 2. Okay, run again. We have another one. Yeah. Now paste again. Change it to 3. Right? Step by step. We have another one. Yeah. Almost done. The last line here. Now it should be 4. Ta-da! Yes. A grid, right? So what do we do next? Let's draw a triangle, okay? Let's draw a triangle here. So yeah, let's define another function. So we can put the function definition anywhere, like in parallel with this function and this function. So we can define a new function like here, or we can put it here. It doesn't matter. The order doesn't matter. It's not the running order, the execution order. This is the definition. The order doesn't matter, but the execution, it does. Like which one is run first, right? Which function is called first. That matters. Okay, so let's put this here. Okay, we can make it longer this time. Yeah. So function name, draw triangle, like that. So tab key, we don't need the parameter. Tab key again, delete. Okay, so we don't need this one. And to start draw a triangle, like before, we have defined a path, right? UI Bezier path, BE, and path dot move to our first point, opening parentheses, that first point maybe 580. Okay. Oh, another shortcut key to go to the beginning of the line is command left arrow key. Go to the end, command right arrow key. Okay, so just to speed up a little bit, and add line 2, next point. What about this? And 300. Okay, now let's give a try. Path dot stroke, right? So don't forget to call it, otherwise we cannot see it. So draw triangle. Yeah, you see we can jump typing. Now you can T, right? Triangle. Yeah. Enter. Run it. Oh, you see, we didn't set the color of it. It will use whatever color set last time. So because we run this one, so yeah, the color was set there. So we use our own color. This time is a blue. We'll use UI color dot blue, right? Dot set stroke, and we can also set its line width 2. This time thicker, 5. Let's see. Run it. Yeah, I'll also demonstrate the different way, right, to set the color. So we can use color literal here. Delete that. Color literal. Yeah, color literal is here, and we can pick, double click, and select, for example, which one? This one, blue, this one. Okay, run again. To continue with our triangle, so just one line, we need to add another line. So we don't need to move to, we can keep adding line. You see, we start from here, we move to this point, right? This point, then we add line to this point. So we can keep adding line to this point, for example. Okay, so yeah, there's no need to move to point again. So add line to next point. What is that? What about 600 and 300? Okay, run again. We'll see an angle, right? An angle. Okay, now you'll say we'll add line to here, right? Like add line to here, add line to here, add line to there. Yes. Let's do path dot add line to the next point. Okay, so what is that point? The starting point, right? So it means, yeah, 580. Run it. Yes, cool. But since, right, Xcode already knows this information, so we don't need to add a line, just close the opening. Yeah, like that. Okay, let's comment out this line to show what it does. Okay, comment out line 23. You see, there's an opening, right? Yeah, if you draw like a polygon, multiple sides, right? It's same. The last line you can just use close to close it. Okay, now undo, run again. A triangle. Okay, so next let's try to fill the triangle with a color. So to do that, we need something like let's use color literal again. Color literal. No, oh, try it again. Color literal. Yeah, the second one. Dot set fill this time, set fill. Okay, so we'll use pass dot fill. Yeah, let's run it. The white one. You see the line width became thinner. Why? Because half of it is covered by the filling color. So it means if we switch the order, it means we fill first, then we stroke. It means this blue will cover the whatever, right? The area filled, right, by the white color. Okay, so let's try it again to see the difference. Yeah, you can play with that, right? Switch to investigate that. Yeah. Now let's select the green color. Where is it? Here, maybe a light green. Okay. Oh, we can click other. You see? So now there's tons of selection. Let's use this one. Lighter, greener. Okay. Let's see. Nice. Okay, so next we'll move to draw circles. Draw a circle actually. So we'll use this convenient location, right? Oh, function draw circle. Is it? Draw circle. Yeah. Okay, that. So draw circle. Yeah, we'll create. Yeah, this time let's use a different name. Okay, we can use circle. For example, UI Bezier path. This time we'll use another constructor or initializer. This one. Okay. So there are many parameters here. So the first one, CG point. So we'll provide a CG point for the arc center. Enter, opening parenthesis, right, like that. So let's use 400 and 600. Okay, this radius thing, right, is the radius of the circle. So let's use 5. It's too small. 50. Okay, so start angle, let's say 0. End angle is we can, the full circle is 360 degree, right? But unfortunately we don't use degrees as the unit. We use radians, so it's 2 pi, right? 2 pi, 2 times 3.14 blah blah blah. No, I can't remember the whole long, and it's like infinite long, right? So okay, there's a constant defined by the Swift CG float dot pi. Yeah, cool. So this is 3.14 blah blah blah. Clockwise, yeah. Do you want to draw clockwise or counterclockwise? True for, it doesn't matter because it's a full circle. Okay, that's it. Circle dot stroke. We can see the circle. Yeah. Don't forget to call it draw circle. Yeah. Let's see. Run it. Oh, here you see. Okay. Let's stop here. We don't want to make the video too long. Thank you for watching. See you next time.